Hi everyone, my name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of LaJoytra Creation Designs. I'm coming to you, ladies and gentlemen, today with a video to show you pretty much what you can do with some pendants and some old earrings, okay? Every now and then, y'all, we may run into where we have an event or we have an engagement that we're going to be going to, and sometimes we be trying to figure out what we want to wear. A lot of times, y'all, we want something flashy. Sometimes we want something with some rhinestones. But anyway, I'm going to make this short. Here are some of the items that I am going to be using today to show you how to make some beautiful, gorgeous rings, okay? I'm going to be using some 12 gauge wire. I have it in gold, and I also have it in this rose gold. I have, some of these are pendants, and some of these are earrings. This right here is an earring. This elephant here is an earring. This was an earring. This has rhinestones all over it. It's a butterfly, and I'm going to show you how to create this into a beautiful, gorgeous ring. This purse right here is going to be done at a later video. I'm going to show you all. This is an actual brooch, and I'm going to show you all how to make a gorgeous, beautiful purse charm. And you can you can use this piece right here as a beautiful accent to your purse charm. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So you're going to need some form of a pendant or an earring or a brooch, okay? You're going to need some wire. You're going to need your wire cutters, your round nose pliers, some E6000. You're going to need some findings. These are jewelry findings or jewelry settings, okay? I'm going to use a couple of those, and we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and I forgot one more thing, and I'm hoping that this video is showing up light enough for you to really see what I'm doing. Your handy dandy E6000. Okay, now, I did a video not too long ago on using one of these connectors. Of course, I got these from Michaels, and Michaels, you can find all different types of connectors, okay? These were on sale. And so I grabbed myself quite a bit, and you can use a connector to make yourself a gorgeous, beautiful ring. Real easy, real simple. So you take your your ring finding or your setting, and you take and put a little bit of E6000 on it, just like this. And these findings that I have, these are adjustable. Let me show you what I mean when I say adjustable. That's what they look like. And all you do is flip this over and place it in the middle and let it sit overnight and dry. So we're going to set this off to the side. Okay. The next one we're going to do, this right here, you can use this piece for, this was an earring as well. And this, I'm going to turn this into a beautiful ring. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take my E6000, put a nice generous amount on it. I'm going to flip it over this way. And I'm going to put it in the middle. Right in there is where I'm going to put it. And I'm going to set it off to the side and let it dry. So when you make these, ladies and gentlemen, you are going to have to let them dry, okay? You want to let them dry overnight. You want to let them dry overnight. I'm going to show you one more. And this right here is an earring. And I love this because you got all those gorgeous, beautiful rhinestones in there. So all I do is, and pretty much, y'all, if you have a local beauty supply store, you can go to a local beauty supply store and you can find these items at the local beauty supply store. So we're going to take our last setting. We're going to put a little bit of a generous amount of glue on it. Flip it over and place it right in the center. Okay, and let it dry. Okay, and we're just going to set it off to the side and let it dry. Okay, now I am going to show you all some of the ones that I have already done. And like I said, for those of you who, there may be some of you who may be getting ready to have go to a farmer's market. You can sell your handmade items at farmer's market. You may go to a farmer's market, some type of vendor event coming up, and you want something different. And everything that I've showed you will be absolutely different. There will be no one else there at that event with what you have. So I'm going to show you some of the ones that I created myself. This is a butterfly, and this is a ring that I created. And all I did was take this pink wire right here. And I'm just going to show you what I did. And I actually took some 20 gauge wire. I wrapped this in 20 gauge wire, okay? And then I took this pink wire. I wrapped the 20 gauge onto the pink wire. And then what I did was I made a loop, and then I just started making a series of circles, okay? And I'm going to roll this all the way down so I can show you everything that I did, except for adding the 20 gauge wire. So pretty much what I did was I took some glue, I rolled this all the way down, I put some E6000 on it, and I just placed this over top and let it dry. And this is the ring that you will get. This is gorgeous. Like, you won't see anybody else with this. You can do this technique, y'all, with earrings, brooches, anything that you choose, you can do this technique with, okay? I'm going to show you another one. This was the very first one that I showed you how to glue on. This is one of the connectors, and this is an adjustable ring. And you can find the adjustable rings. You can go to Amazon. You can go to, you can pretty much go, you can go to Amazon. You won't find it at Walmart. You're going to have to go somewhere where they sell jewelry findings, okay? This is the second one. So I've done these in many different ones, okay? So this was the pink butterfly. And this is the second one right here. This is the connector. And then I'm going to show you another butterfly, which is this one right here. And this butterfly was a brooch. And I'm going to show you how it would fit. And it fits just like this. And this is absolutely gorgeous. And it's amazing of the things that you can make with something simple. If you go to your local beauty supply store, you will find something there that you can use to make a ring out of. And you order your settings or your findings. It's either going to be under settings or findings, and then you just bring it back home and you glue it. Now, this was one of the ones that was one of the rhinestone one that I showed you. That's this one right here. And that's how this fits. And it's different. It's different. And every time your customer comes around and see what they're going to want to buy these, okay? And I'm going to show you, this is the heart, the one that I did with the heart. And this is how this fits. Okay? That's the heart. And my very last one, y'all, I fell in love with. This one right here. This was a brooch. But pretty much what I did was I did the same technique that I did with this one. And all I did was roll it in a ball and made a loop. I put a loop right there, but I made a loop coming down and around. And I'm going to show you what this ring looked like on. This is absolutely gorgeous. And where are you going to find in something like this? Absolutely gorgeous. You can wear this with anything, ladies. Like when I say anything, and this is a piece where you can dress it up or down. No one will ever know that you made this and created this item from a brooch. Absolutely gorgeous. So I want to thank you all for watching. If you are new to my channel, please, ladies and gentlemen, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the button that is on the side so that you can get notifications on when I will be uploading more videos. I want to thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day. And I hope that I have sparked some of you all to go out there and get yourself some pendants and earrings and all that good stuff and make yourself some things that you won't find in a store, because you won't find any of this stuff in the store, and you'll have people asking you, where did you get it? And then you can say, I made it. So I want to thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Peace and blessings. See ya.